Um, you can hear the birds chirping because it's the time 6 p.m. It's around 6 p.m. That's why this is my favorite time when I feel happy because all the day is rushing doing the house chores. So this is my favorite time, favorite place, favorite zone where I spent my lot of time there here. So I'm making this video because it's 2026 and I decided some goals which I want to be do, which I want to be decided in 2025, but for some reason I can't able to achieve that all the goals. So I am making that goals again. So this year I achieve. There is no I realized that risk is better than regret because it is my life. It's too small life, and we have do a lot of things. Why I'm wasting my every days, every month, every year by doing nothing? Doing something is better than doing nothing. I'm always saying to my younger brother and sister, but I am not executing on myself. So yeah, that time it's really like a universe is giving to sign to me to start. uh, I'm not here just content creator. I'm here to in, uh, increase my confidence, which is become a so dumb. I'm like in my home. I think I feel like I'm become a useless because I'm a 23 old. I'm doing nothing, and I know that many people are my same age are figuring out what they want in their life, what they want, but somehow they have no sportive person who can they sport, and they are just wanted to some mentor like me. In my case, I wanted to some mentor who guide me, who tell me every step what should I do, where I should be start, what things is good for me, and what the plans, because I waiting, but somehow no one, and no one comes, no one just true. It's just true, everyone should be accepted. So the I realizing that numbers is doesn't matter in graduation, in school, whatever your scores is doesn't matter if you not learn skills. Skills are very important for practical um, life, for a practical experiences for real life. But our school and colleges never teach us skills like communication skill, leadership skills. Yeah, I know that our colleges and schools have give us opportunity. Yes, I know there is many competition like debate, um, stage competition where you can showcase your talent, where you can be speak in front of large audience, but you avoid somehow, and no one go force, no one teacher force to do. They tell that important, but we think that is not important. If I'm good and study, that doesn't matter, I get a job and whatever I want. But in reality it's hard. I think I'm in my college, in school, I am good in academic but not in other curriculum activities that's effect on you. And my I I see that a lot of people who are less talented from me are doing something good in their life, and I'm I'm not uh, saying, but I'm a good. I know that I'm a good in many field. I know how I'm emotionally stable. I am means I because in college whenever some in my friend have some problem, they come with me and ask, what are your solution you have, you tell me, and then I think that I have some special things, some speciality, that's why they are coming. In my house also happened the same thing, but slowly, gradually, I start talking with anyone. I avoid phone calls and uh, I just block every my relatives every friends circle. I just avoid. I live in my own zone and comfortable zone because I afraid from this real world. And I know that not only me, there is many people who are afraid from this real world. Seriously, I am very afraid while I'm speaking. But I feel that uh, I realize that you people not harm me. I mean, you're not gonna harm me. You're not gonna to kill me. This is our mentality who's saying that what people think, what we think about me. They think neither, because I not do something wrong with you. I know that you not will think wrong me. You're not gonna judge me, but somehow I feel like so. This time I'm going post all the whatever going in my mind, whatever in life I'm going to share here. So I know that there is many talented people, girls, boys, young person are sitting at home and just become a coward. I don't want to become a coward. I want to become a bold. I want to face every challenges of my life because I'm bold. I'm not a coward.